Hello students, welcome to Tejam Educations. So today we are discussing about number systems from class 9th chapter 1. Okay, what is number? A number is a basic mathematical concept used to count, measure and label things. So it is a number represents a value or quantity. There are some different types of numbers. We can see here there is a natural number which is denoted by letter n and it is called as in Telugu sahaja sankhyalu. Okay, and the other one is whole numbers, it is denoted by letter w. So integers, it is denoted by letter z. Rational numbers, it is denoted by q. In Telugu we can call it as sahaja sankhyalu, purna sankhyalu, runa purna sankhyalu, agaraniya sankhyalu. Okay, we can know that natural numbers, their letter is starting n, that's why we are denoting this one as n. Okay, for whole numbers the starting letter is w, so we can denote it as w. Here you have one doubt. So for integers, why we denoting z, we are not denoting I? Because this z means it is comes from the German word zahlen. It is comes from the German word zahlen. Okay, this means to count. Zahlen means to count. Okay, here we are counting the numbers, that's why we are denoting this as the z. Okay, rational numbers, it is denoted as q. You have same doubt here also. So why we are denoting this rational numbers as q is because the rational numbers we are denoting by in the form of p by q. Okay, here rational, this rational comes from ratio and q, this q is from, we are denoting this in p by q form. Here q is the quotient. Okay, that's why we are denoting this rational number as q. Now let us discuss what are the natural numbers. Natural numbers, these are start with number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and etc. These are called as natural numbers. Then whole numbers, what is the whole numbers? So whole numbers is the 0 plus natural numbers, that means the whole numbers start with 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. So integers contains negative numbers and also whole numbers, like it start with, it has positive numbers and also negative numbers like -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Okay, rational numbers, we already discussed about rational numbers. So rational numbers is denoted in the form of p by q, that's why it is in the form of 1 by 2, -3 by 4 and 5. Why you are denoting 5 is, we can write this 5 as 5 by 1. Okay, that's why we are calling this 5 also rational numbers. So another, there are some types are there. So imaginary numbers and complex numbers, which we are called imaginary numbers is which is multiplied by I, that means I to I minus 5i, like that. So here I equals to -1. Okay, complex numbers, a complex number, what is a complex number? This complex number is combination of real and imaginary numbers. Okay, this is the imaginary number, this is the real number. So complex number is the combination of both real and imaginary numbers. Okay students, now you have understand the what is the number and what are the types of the number system, right? Next class we will discuss about the rational numbers in detail and some exercises we will do in the which you have in the textbook. Okay, thank you.